It is possible to make an ugly truck look even worse, which I've done here. So, goal accomplished. Welcome to another episode of This Old Hoopty, where I take this piece of crap and try and make it a little more pretty, I hope. In today's video, we're going to start the prep work for painting. So, let's take a quick walk around the truck and see what we're working with. If you've been following along before, you know that I have a lot of peeling clear coat all over the hood, the roof, the bed tops. In addition to that, there's a bunch of rock chips throughout both quarter panels, the hood. See if I can get a close up on that one there. Bunch here, some deep scratches. I'm gonna try and refinish this. I'm pretty sure I can. I'm gonna take the rock chips out of here, get these fixed up, get that nice. I'm working on the aluminum bars that were in here. Those are over here. I'm gonna refinish those as well. As you can see, for those who already watched, the Rust-Oleum turbo is holding up great on the tailgate. I'm actually gonna scuff this up a little bit because this is gonna get included in the new paint job. My intention is to do a mural on the tailgate, so we'll get to that later. All right, a little more progress. Anywhere where there was severe damage to the clear coat, or dents, dings, rust bubbles, all of that vinyl that was still stuck along the bottom down here, all that has been taken down to 80 and smoothed out. I'm going to dig into this all the way and bring it back out because there's definitely rust under there, and this is a really thick Bondo patch. So we'll get into that next weekend. So anywhere where there was rust, I brought it down to steel. Same thing, we've got a big area here that goes behind the bed. So once I've gotten this all sanded down and taken care of the body work, I'm actually going to pull the bed and deal with the back. I'm going to keep going with the sanding, and I will click you back on in the next video where I start the body filler and the paste and working on the roll pan as I showed you. If you haven't already, please subscribe, click like so other people can view my videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment down below. And thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next one.